This lesson is all about pronouns. So pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. For example, he, she, it, they, we, you. We often use them to stop sentences being repetitive. So instead of saying Lily was playing with her dog, Lily loved her dog, we can replace Lily and dog with pronouns the second time we use them. So Lily was playing with her dog. She loved him. Pronouns are normally used like nouns, but they are more specific grammatically, and it is harder to modify them. There are different types of pronouns. For example, personal pronouns, such as he, they, and we. Possessive pronouns, such as his, yours, ours. Relative pronouns, such as which, who, and that. What pronouns can you see in this sentence?